Hello everyone, welcome back to New York Tech Life. So what I have here is the Tesla CCS Combo 1 adapter. This adapter is something that I was waiting for a long time. You can always go to Tesla supercharger to charge, but there are other options. But the problem was that none of the options there, the CCS and the Chatamo, won't work with Tesla. So this was, a lot of people got the South Korean version. I think it's the same. Looks like the box is the same, everything is the same. So they just started like releasing it for the US market. So I ordered it like I think the day after Tesla released it, and within 4 to 5 days I received the shipment. I was surprised that how fast I got it, because previously I ordered some items and it took almost like 2 weeks, and it was using FedEx, and this time it came via UPS. So it looks like it came from Lockport, Illinois, so to New York. So it's a couple of days, 4 days I guess. So I had the adapter here, so I didn't even open it yet. So I thought, I'll have it via like a video and show everyone like what's in the box. And so that's the box, and CCS combo adapter. Just gonna show you the box around. So yeah, made on earth by humans, okay. So just gonna open this. I think it's not the easiest thing to open, but I'm gonna try. Not gonna be pretty, but yeah, that's how you open it. I'm not sure why it's here. Right, got it open. There it is. No manual, nothing, just straightforward adapter. So here it is, if anybody is wondering and trying to compare with the South Korean version, but I think it's the same. I'll go into detail, close up. Very good. Yeah, CCS adapter. Yeah, 250 kilowatt. Okay, so this is it. So the CCS 1 combo adapter. So I'll have a follow-up video where I will go to an EVgo or Electrify America and just show you, the charging speed and how long it will take, or different aspects. So because I would like to try it out. So yep, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions related to this, please comment, and always like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.